Say so with inspiration, purpose, and understanding.
Creating inspiration.
Changing the world one vision at a time.
Potential knows no bounds.
Daughter.
Mother.
Wife.
Friend. CEO.
CFO.
Employee.
Breadwinner.
Homemaker.
Home administrator.
Director of children.
Tutor.
Grandmother.
Nana.
Career woman.
Volunteer.
Caretaker.
Survivor.
With every attempt, we gain wisdom for the next attempt. Try again.
Learn from the past. Live in progress. Own the future.
Fear of happiness. Face it head on.
Leaders go up front and lead.
Followers find leaders. Have you been found?
Passion. Passion is the spirit of life.
Life without passion is hard labor.
Positive self-esteem. Get some.
I am enough.
Check the market. The value of self-esteem is up.
Truth according to whom?
Whose truth is it anyway?
Have you verified the truth?
Perseverance over setback equals success.
Creating me daily.